Hi and hello friends, welcome you all to BNC Online, Basic Needs of Consumer. This platform provides a great opportunity to make your dreams come true. It's the biggest business opportunity for you also. You can also visit the website www.bnconline.in. This will give you a great ensurement in buying a product. This is the head office address as per the addresses mentioned in Maharashtra. Then you can also visit the website, email and call too. It is a company with legal documents which is available in the website. This will also provide you a great vision and mission in successing a product. You can also have a great income here. So in many of the time you are buying a product, you are getting just a service here, but here you are getting a great lot of income, service and a lifelong opportunity for it. You can also get a service like mobile recharge and all DTH recharge, all bank money transfer, all hotel booking, flight booking, etc. Ola cab booking and all bus booking, FASTag recharge and all bill pay, PAN card service, wallet to bank money transfer and wallet to money transfer. Here they are getting a great out of service in BSNL, Geo, Idea SIM, SBI, banks, S banks, etc. They have just joining us with 1500 rupees. Just putting 1500 rupees, you are getting a product with API service and 500 points in your dashboard. So you are getting a lot of benefits by having a product wellness or cloth MRP as 1500. You're getting online service. It is e-service for you. Rupees 500 points will be available in dashboard, so you can redeem the point. Total benefit will be 3500 here. Then each distributors have 5 people to join in the system. So as a person, you are joining 5 people under you. Every distributor will join 5 people so that their income will be 1700. In first level, you can see in joining income will be 1200 and your daily income. So 10 into 30 days you are getting 300. Level income will be 200. So total first level income will be 1700. Here they have given types of income: joining income, direct sponsor income, all recharge income, daily income, level income, API service commission and repurchase income. Here you can also see they have given 10 levels, then daily income and level income. Starting from joining, you are getting 5 members. Your joining income will be 1200, amount will be 10 and days will be 30 for you. Total will be 300. At last your total income will be 1700. In second, by joining 25, you are getting 3900. Third, it will be 9960. At last you are getting lot of amount with lakhs. They are providing a daily income process. By distributing 5 members as your downline, you are getting this much benefit in your level income. Starting to 1 to 10 level, you can see your amount with 300, 600, 1160, 2280. At last you are getting 1,38,000 here. Then as soon you have to achieve your levels level by level. So in level income, you are succeeding to next level for a level here, starting with team leader, silver, star, double star, gold, platinum, ruby, diamond, crown and double crown. Here you can see your per ID level income will be 200, 900, 4000, 17,500, 78,125, etc. Here you can see the amount ID you have mentioned is 40, 36, 32, 28, 25, etc. Then as soon you are getting a achievement level with following level income. Here you can see you can also build up your team here so that the team members will have a great succeeding as you. In first level there will be team leader for you. In second level you are getting 3900 here. Then in third level you are getting 9960. Fourth level it will be 29,380. Then fifth level it will be 1 lakh 2,125 and sixth level it will be 3 lakh 91,150. Then in seventh level it is above, you can see it is 17 lakh 35,275. In eighth level it will be 68 lakh 29,425. Then in ninth and tenth it is exceeding more. So you are getting crores here. It is a mandatory for all direct sponsors. If you have 5 distributors, other distributors will have a direct sponsor for you. So you will get 300 direct sponsor income here. By referring person, you are getting this income. All recharge service will be available as from your Idea, BSNL, Vodafone, Reliance, and they are also providing modems here dish TV recharge, etc. Mobile recharge income you can get here. If you are recharging a mobile, you are getting commission from it depending on your mobile operator. From the commission, you are getting 82.35% as your sponsor is 17.65% here. In Airtel, Airtel Express, BSNL, they have given so many advantages, so users can use it here. Then this is DTH recharge income. So Airtel, Digital TV, Dish TV, Sun Direct, Tata Sky, Videocon, DTH. So they have given recharge amount, how it is used and how it will be sponsor income for you. Then electricity bill income. So you will get 0.42% as your commission for light bill. Out of this you are getting 82.35% and your sponsor will be 17.65% here. So operator name will be electricity bill for you and your sponsor incomes are provided here. All services it starts too. You can have a repurchase facility here. So it will also start soon. They have a great opportunity in succeeding in life. If a person is working hard, he will just ask some questions. I won't do it. I can't do it. I want to do it. How do I do it? I will try to do it. I can do it. I will do it. Yes, I have succeeded in my life. So these are the major questions. So please don't see the obstacles behind you or it will be front of you. You have a great succeeding life by stepping a good way here, which step you a great reach of achievement. Here you can see you have to just register by a click. So you can also click the button with the register. So in this registration you are getting a great link browser here which will be a great career for your future. So they have provided the website link, phone and etc. You can also contact them. If you have any doubt here, you can also contact the description given below. Thank you so much.